everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the wild, unpredictable world of meme coins. These are coins that you can either make a fortune on or have you crying on your fucking cereal the next day. But if you're strategic, you can avoid many of the pitfalls. Today I'm going to be showing you how to A. Analyze meme coin charts, B. Spot coins with strong potential and high enough market caps, and C. Run your coins through some powerful tools to avoid scams like rug pulls. Let's get into it. 1. Understanding meme coins and market trends. Meme coins are primarily driven by hype, community, and sometimes a sprinkle of utility. They pump hard and fast, so timing is critical. But not all meme coins are created equal. Some are legit, while others are total scams designed to drain your wallet. 2. The tools that you are going to need. Before we get started, here are the tools we'll use to make your meme coin journey as safe and as profitable as possible. Number 1 is DexScreener. As you can see, this is a very powerful tool that lets you analyze charts in real time on decentralized exchanges. It's beginner friendly and shows volume, liquidity, price action, market cap, all the important details you need to know for coins. Now, there is TradingView. The TradingView is it's more designed, more catered to the larger exchanges such as Bybit, OKX, etc. DexScreener is for more the smaller meme coins. So a lot of the coins you won't find on TradingView until they actually get listed on the larger exchanges. As you can see, Chill Guy was only listed on Mexi about the 21st of November. If I go back on DexScreener, all the way back, I can go back all the way to the 15th of November. Number 2 is going to be DexTools. DexTools is actually very similar to DexScreener, but it goes a step further with wallet tracking and more detailed chart analysis. An absolute must for deep dives. As you can see, this here is what you're looking for, especially liquidity and holders. This is how you're going to detect if there's how you're going to analyze if any coins are scams. I'll dive into that a bit later in the video. Mexi, Central Exchange. This is the exchange that I really recommend you use. I'm going to drop my referral link in the description of the video. You guys need to get this as soon as possible. It is similar to the wallets, but wallets are cold and the fees are a lot higher. Mexi is known for it's notorious for its extremely low fees, especially when trading futures. But we're not going to be worried about that in today's video. We'll make that in a future video. Number 4. Phantom Wallet. This is the wallet alternative to Mexi Spot. It's a super easy to use wallet, especially if you're trading Solana based meme coins. Make sure to keep your private key safe. If you lose that key, you lose your wallet, you lose everything inside of it. Number 5. TokenSniffer. This is your scam detector. It analyzes contracts for potential red flags like high fees, honeypots, and more. I'll give you guys a good example of this. Let's grab a random meme coin. Diddy's victim. This definitely looks like a scam. Diddy's victim. Alright. You're gonna scroll down on the right here to get the actual wallet. Type it in here. Or you can just search the name, which I find it gives better results. Let's see if TokenSniffer even has it. No results. Looks like it doesn't have it. We'll find Diddy's victim on here. Diddy's victim. Holders. One holder has 90.34% of the supply. That is how you know this is a scam. Number 3. Finding the right meme coins. Now let's find a meme coin that's worth your attention. We're going to use DexScreener for this. Go to the main menu of DexScreener. You'll find one of these. This is where you're going to filter. Ideally, for liquidity, you'll find coins that have at least over $25,000 of liquidity, and ideally $1 to $10 million market caps. And obviously, the lower the market cap, the less liquid the markets, and the faster you can make money, but also the faster you can lose it. So we'll find a little sweet spot. We'll go 2.5 million. Make sure to apply that. Open up the trending ones. Make sure it's trending in the last 24 hours. This is where you can find all the best coins that have been trending. We'll take Husball. This is where we'll check if the coin is actually a scam. Another thing you guys can do, you can search the name of the coin. You find it on CoinGecko, and you find the socials. There's a website. You can go to the Twitter, all of that. Sometimes you have a Telegram plugged in. You need to look at the community. Here it is, yeah. The Twitter and the Telegram. Because social hype matters. The strong engaged community can pump a meme coin like crazy. So you want to make sure you're on all those waves. What the hell is this coin? A Husball game. Very interesting. But more importantly, we want to get the contract ID here. And we paste it in here. Let's see if the actual token works. If not, we'll type in the name. Husball. There we go. This looks like it's it. This is what you're going to use TokenSniffer for. Yep, 0 out of 100. So it is not a honeypot. Honeypots are basically coins that are, once you buy, you cannot sell. I've been victim to that back in my early days in crypto. Make sure you do not fall for these. Yeah, you read through all of this, liquidity analysis, similar contracts. Number 5, pro tips for meme coin success. Now this is very vague, as you have to be quite experienced with trading, but I know there's some guys in trailer parks making money off of this, and really in theory it is easy, but you must remember you're going to win some and you're going to lose some. So I need to advise caution for you guys. These are meme coins, right? If it was that easy, everyone would do it, and everyone is starting to do it. So make sure you're getting skilled and you're doing this correctly. You can use market structure to analyze some of these, but meme coins are less respective to the market structure due to their emotionally driven nature. So market structure isn't that reliable in dealing with such small coins. However, when you get to larger caps, let's take the big boy, Pepe. Let's take the big boy. Pepe you can analyze with as much market structure as you want. If you want to learn how to use market structure to analyze coins, that will be in a future video, but it's not very important for now. Make sure to always take profits. Do not get, they call it sticky fingers. You see a coin going up and you say, no, I want to capitalize off of this. No, I entered so far below, you know what, I'll sit this in. I'll wait until it's 100x, 10x. Make sure to take profits, even if that's 25%, 50%. With meme coins, you can wake up the next night, the next day, and it's gone to zero. That is the reality. 6, actually executing the trade. Let's go to Mexi for this. Alright, so on Mexi, you're going to go to spot. Okay. Right here, I've got my demo account. Alright, chill guy. We'll use this as our example. Buy and sell. It's very simple. Go to the coin you want in Mexi. It'll be basically at the bottom. Don't worry too much about limit or market orders. Assuming you are a beginner, you're just going to place a market order. You're going to fill up your account. You can click on this little thing over here. There we go. USDT. If that's your preferable thing, your preferable stable coin. Choose which network, and you can deposit into that, either from another exchange or from a wallet. If you want to use a wallet, I recommend Phantom or MetaMask. Once that money is in, it should reflect over here. You can choose how much in terms of dollars you want to buy in. Buy it here. And your position should be reflected here at the bottom. Order history or open positions. That is where your open positions will be. You can set stop limit orders if you want to sell at a specific level. So let's say I bought here. Oh, here it is. I want to place a long position. So sell being there. And want to take profits at the top. what you'll do is you'll set a stop limit for this exact price level, 0.305. Set that 0.305. How much you'd want to sell, so you put that here, 0.305. Let's say I want to sell 75% at that level. Go down, see, and set up how much you want to sell, and it will sell at that exact level. The trigger price is just set it anywhere in between here, so just say 0.321. There we go. When the price reaches or falls below 0.0321, an order will be triggered at 0.305 to sell on my chill guy. And there we have it. So as soon as we surpass this level, 0.321, it'll trigger the order and it'll sell all of it down here. That's it for today's guide on how to find, analyze, and buy meme coins. Remember, the key is research, timing, and staying safe. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto content, and let me know in the comments what meme coin you're watching right now. Stay sharp, stay smart, and let's pump those bags together. Until next time.